Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to make your video HD on Kinemaster. So with no further ado, let's start. So what you have to do is to make sure that your Kinemaster application is updated, and if it's updated, you can now proceed to our tutorial. So what you have to do is to open the application, and the first thing that you want to do to make your video HD is to upgrade the FPS of your Kinemaster. So what you have to do is to go to the Kinemaster homepage, and you will see here on the left part settings. Click on that and scroll all the way down. You will see advanced and experimental settings. So you click on that, and what you have to do is just to enable the adding video clips with up to 240 fps, and basically it will support the high quality or the HD video on Kinemaster. So next is you could actually add effects to make a higher quality or HD video. So on the right side, you will see layer and you will see effect. Click on that, and what you have to do is to add the auto HDR and sharpen effect. And if it's not in your effect, on the upper right corner, you will see a store. That's actually the Kinemaster asset store. So click on that, and it will direct you to the store of the Kinemaster where you could download everything. You go to FX, and here you will see different types of effects. So what we are going to find is you could actually just search it. You could go to sharpen here, click on that, and then download it, but I have already downloaded it. And next is you download auto HDR. Here, download it, and I've already installed it. So the next thing that we want to do is to add that effect. So you click on that and click auto HDR, adjust it to the whole video, and you could actually adjust it like that. Next is check mark. Next is to add layer. Click on effect and add sharpen. Wait, let me do that again. So you have to make sure that this red line here, it will be on the starting point, so that it is where your effect will also start. So we do the same thing, go to layer, effect, and then add the sharpen, and then adjust it up until the whole video and adjust it like this. So, and that's it, basically that's it. But the other way, there's actually the other way for that, is to click on the video, and you will see the menu settings here for that video. And if you scroll all the way down, you could see the adjustments. You could adjust the brightness, the contrast, the saturation, just like how the effects that we added last time. See that? Or you could actually monochrome it by decreasing the vibrance, temperature, and many more. And that's it. That's how you make your video HD on Kinemaster. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to keep you updated. Thank you for watching.